Hi guys, happy new year. I am praying that your new year is filled with many blessings. If you haven't already, be sure to give your life to God. I'm going to quickly read you guys a scripture, Romans 12:19. So brothers and sisters, since God has shown us great mercy, I beg you to offer your lives as a living sacrifice to him. So yeah, read up on that, y'all, because 2025, we are giving our life to God completely. But anyways, y'all, I picked up this gorgeous unit from RpgShow.com. This unit is called the OP Hair 005. You guys can see this unit here. What I love about this unit is that it features their Maxipart, which has 10 by 6 inches of parting space, a contoured ear area, a drawstring so you can wear this completely glueless. It also has that pre-tweezed hairline, those bleached knots, and the lace color that I have mine in is a medium brown, which I actually love because it really blends into my complexion. You guys can see about how much parting space you do get with this one. I also love the fact that, again, like I mentioned before, this unit is completely glueless, so it does have the elastic strap on the inside, those removable combs so you can wear them with or without, and it also has the Velcro backing, and again it has that drawstring, so it's going to give you a nice secure fit without any use of glues or adhesives. But anyways, this is how my unit came directly out of the package. You guys can see those curls did drop, so I'm going to do some light styling to this. I first start off by taking a little bit of my gel and just brush those edges back. I decided I wanted some light baby hairs, so I went and I just took a few strands of hair just to kind of give me a little more of some depth around the hairline. I also set that with an elastic band so that it's ready to wear. But as far as styling this unit, you guys can see the curls completely dropped with this one, so I'm just going to go through the hair and remove any tangles if I have any, and then I'm just going to take my 1-inch curling wand and do some light waves throughout this wig. So this is the way my waves came out. I wanted them to be very light and airy, loose waves. And again, this is that cap construction. I'm going to go ahead and get this unit on. I must say that this fit is A1. You do not need to adhere this unit down. It fits nice and snug. I love the fact that it has the contour around the ear area, meaning that it's very comfortable. It's not going to squeeze your ears. And of course, that drawstring in the back, that's really going to bring this wig together, making it so like the lace lays really flat up against your forehead. I just pull on that lever and I tuck in the string, and y'all can see, boom, it's done. I don't have to do any other adhering, y'all. It's not going anywhere. I can do the shake test. I can pull on it. It fits and feels very nice up against the head, and y'all can see that lace isn't rolling up. And just in case you guys weren't believing me, it's not adhered down. But I'm just gonna go ahead and refreshen up the edges a little bit because it was just looking a little not to my liking. This is very optional. Y'all don't have to do it if you don't want to. I just did some light baby hairs, as well as I'm just going to take some of my wax stick and just lay the top of the unit just to get rid of any humps that's in the hair. And this is what we are working with. Y'all, I'm absolutely loving the length of this unit, the texture of this unit, the color of this unit. I know I probably didn't mention any of this stuff, but this unit is in a custom color. I will have it linked down below because I don't want to mess it up. Y'all can see it does have a darker root and lighter hair. Again, this is their Maxipart, so it does feature 10 by 6 inches of parting space, and this unit contours around your head perfectly so you don't have any lace that rolls up. The texture of this wig is in a Yaki texture, so it feels really natural, like a silk press. Here are the angles of the hair. I am 5'8" and this is where it falls on me. The length that I have my unit in is in a 16-inch. The density of this unit is 180%, so it's very full and filled with a lot of body. And as I mentioned before, this is their Maxipart unit, so again it has 10 by 6 inches of parting space. I'm going to go ahead and redirect the part just so you guys can see that this unit can be worn in different ways.
The distance is unfair, I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time. No actions on repeat, to me it seems you're doing just fine. Assumptions can't be registered when it feels like you're mine. A lot of blocks tied up in the way, but I can't let you go. Vibrations on my cervix came and it's on the flow for you. Attraction can't be the only thing to.
So, are y'all feeling the middle part or the side part? Y'all let me know. I absolutely love a unit that doesn't have to be glued down, but that is style worthy and you don't have to worry about the lace lifting or slipping. Y'all, this wig is A1. I mean, look, I was actually able to put this hair up in a updo. I just used a little clip and bam, y'all. This is giving like holiday hair. You know, if you don't want the hair on your chest or on your neck or anything like that, you can pull it up, and I think it's super cute no matter how you wear it. Again, y'all, this unit comes from RpgShow.com. Again, this is their OP Hair 005 16-inch Yaki style. Y'all let me know what you guys are thinking about this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy New Year, guys.